Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by activating Auto Sleep Now, not later. First, make sure your device is updated and charged above 20% so background sensing runs reliably. Once done, grant motion, location, and health permissions. These let the sensor detect transitions into rest. Put the device on snugly and follow your usual wind-down routine so detection learns your pattern. You'll see sleep automatically recorded after a few nights. This initial period trains sensitivity and minimizes false positives while keeping data consistent. Next, you refine how Auto Sleep interprets your nights. Open the sleep settings and choose sensitivity based on how much you toss and turn. High picks up subtle rest, low ignores brief stillness. Then decide whether to set a fixed sleep window or let adaptive scheduling learn times automatically. Calibrate by reviewing 3 to 5 recorded nights and correcting start/stop times so the algorithm updates. Make sure to save changes. This improves future detection and reduces the need for manual edits. To finish, you validate results and maintain accuracy. Check your weekly sleep summary to confirm trends. If the system drifts, tweak sensitivity or the sleep window. If Auto Sleep misses nights, first re-enable motion and health permissions, then repair the device to your phone. Connectivity often causes gaps. If issues persist, export your data and reset Auto Sleep so it relearns cleanly. One key troubleshooting tip. Repairing plus a brief calibration period typically resolves detection errors.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.